For the first part of your project, you're going to want to take your piece of wood and paint it a solid color. So I'm just going to use white for right now. I want it to pop, and I'm going to add some stuff later that will help it do that. So here we go. Okay, so now that that's painted, we'll go ahead and just let it dry, probably overnight, I would say. All right, so the paint is basically dry. It is still a little bit moist, if you will, but that's all right. So I have these letters, and I'm just gonna spell out Be Merry. I only have one E, so I gotta use it twice. But if you can do it freestyle, then do that, but I'm not very good at it. So I'm just gonna trace around these, because then I'm gonna paint them a different color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and paint these letters in. This is the paint that I'm gonna use. It's a color shift, like a emerald green. It's really pretty. Okay, so let's grab a nice soft brush, and we'll get started. Okay, that's pretty good for now, so we'll let that dry, and then I'll probably do another coat just to make it even. And then after that, I think I'm gonna add some glitter around the edges of the letters to really make it pop, and then we'll add some more stuff later. I have made some resin with iridescent glitter in this squirt bottle thing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go around the letters so that it has a border. I think it looks nice, but I want to add more glitter, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dump over it. So we'll let that sit for a while, and then probably about 24 hours we'll come back and finish it up. Okay, you guys, check this out. So you know, out there in the oceans, there's all kinds of stuff that we don't know about yet, right? Because it's just so vast. So one thing we do know is that there are sharks that actually glow in the dark. I had no idea. Researchers say that only other sharks can see them glow, and it's how they identify each other. but I just thought that was pretty freaking cool. Now they did not say what kind of shark it is, so I don't know if it's like all of them or just a certain breed or what, but just know that out there in the world there are glowing sharks. It's real. It's not sci-fi, it's real. I think the glitter is dry enough right now that I can work around it. So I have this garland that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna go around the sign and I'm gonna use a glue gun to hold it down. Okay, so this is what I have left over, is these two little pokies. So I'm just gonna kind of turn them down here, you know? I'll probably just go ahead and glue it real quick. Okay, now, you know, we'll probably just let that dry for a little bit. We will add some lights to that, but I also have some flowers that I think would look cute in the corners. So before we add lights, let's add the pretties. I have these flowers. Okay, there's like 5 of them. I used them in a project previous to this, so they have like some glue marks on them, but I don't think you can see them that bad, so I'm not gonna worry about it. Then I have, well, shit. Then I have these, I don't know what you call them, but like little branches of sparkles that I want to add as well. So the first thing I want to do is place this flower. You know what, I'm going to take it off of the stem and I'll save the leaves. Alright, so I have 5 sets of flowers. I'm going to use 3 on this side, 2 on that side. So now we can add these sparkly things in. Okay, this part is done. And I have one more thing I want to add to it. So right here in this open space, I have this red glitter resin ornament. I think that'll look nice. What do you guys think? So we'll let that dry. And in the meantime, I'll go get the Christmas lights that I want to put around it, and that will probably finish it off. For the last part, we have Christmas lights. So I have 2 sets. Okay, I think that's it. I know you can't really see the whole thing, but I will put it up so you can see it in all its glory. But I think that was pretty dang easy, and I had fun doing it. You know, you can do whatever color or whatever theme or whatever you want. So anyways, thank you for coming, and we'll see you on the next one.